Welcome students to day 22 of 50 day NEET challenge. Do you know about the short circuiting? Let's learn about it. It occurs in the electrical circuits when the current finds a way to bypass an appliance on a path of zero resistance. Let's look at the circuit given here. In this circuit, the current which is coming from the left hand side will pass through the 1 ohm resistance and then it will come to a junction where it has the choice either to go through the 2 ohm resistance or to go through the upper arm, which is an ideal conductor of zero resistance. Current will actually take here the path of zero resistance, which means the current will go through the upper arm leaving the 2 ohm resistance, and then current will leave the circuit through the 3 ohm resistance. Therefore, the equivalent resistance of this circuit will become 3 plus 1 4 ohm. Here, by short circuiting, the 2 points A and B are maintained at the same electric potential. Therefore, the electric potential difference between the 2 points will be 0. And now according to Ohm's law, which is delta V is equals to IR, as delta V is 0 across the 2 ohm resistance, therefore there will be no current as well. Isn't it an amazing concept? Stay tuned for many more videos. Thank you.